Good morning, team. I want to address the patient fall incident that occurred yesterday in Ward B. Mr. Paul, room 302, unfortunately slipped and fell while attempting to use the restroom. He sustained minor injuries, but this incident highlights the importance of patient safety.
Was it due to understaffing, Mihira? We've been short-handed lately.
Understaffing can be a contributing factor, but it's not the sole reason. We need to assess the patient's mobility and risk factors more comprehensively. The patient's call bell might not have been within easy reach, or perhaps the floor was wet. We need to conduct a thorough root cause analysis to identify all contributing factors.
Mihira, should we restrict patients from using the bathroom independently?
That's an overreaction. We need to promote independence while ensuring patient safety. We can implement strategies like providing call bells within easy reach, using non-slip mats, and offering assistance to high-risk patients. Additionally, staff should be vigilant in monitoring patients, especially during bathroom breaks.
Mihira, it's really common for older adults to experience falls, and it's important to remember that most minor falls, like yours, aren't serious and often don't result in fractures or major injuries. From what you've told me, and from what I've observed, it doesn't appear you have anything serious. It was absolutely the right decision to let your family know and have us come for a checkup. Now, to help prevent something like this from happening again, we can make a few simple changes around the house. For example, removing loose rugs, especially the one you mentioned, can make a big difference. Ensuring you have good lighting throughout your home, particularly in hallways and stairwells, is also very important. If you find yourself a bit unsteady sometimes, even considering a walking aid like a cane could be beneficial. We could also think about recommending some modifications, like installing grab rails in the bathroom, near the toilet, and in the shower, which can provide extra stability. And perhaps it's time to look into getting some new, non-slip footwear for around the house.